Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa trending Pinoy singer na naman ang nagpamalas ng kanyang husay sa pag-awit at siya ay taga Baguio. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood 'to, kaya i-play na natin 'to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go! Tara, play na natin. Alright, so here we go.
Know the child alone and
Wow.
why can't it make a son? Sounds meant for different work, and it's always known to know.
Ang galing.
Maybe someone when he's alone, slowly tired away, and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay.
Ang galing niya, no?
Quiet man music, the night of sympathy. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. Years left to tease him, unthinkable, a thundering velvet hair. His gentle means of sculpting souls took me years to understand.
Bitin naman. Bitin naman, pero ang ganda ng boses ni kuya 'no, sobrang linis niyang kumanta. Yung diction sobrang clear and, very natural din kumanta, 'di ba? Parang inangkin niya yung kanta, eh. And yeah, nakaka-proud lang na sobrang dami talagang Pilipino na ang gagaling kumanta. Talagang, mapapa-wow ka na lang, mapapa-sana all ka na lang. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo 'to guys, bigyan ng malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kaming request na video na puwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel, Bye po.